How y'all doing? Kenyon Banks and Southern Boyz Outdoors. Hey guys, this week we traveled to North Carolina to go hunting with Billy Dog. Billy, what an awesome young man. He has a group called Wheelchair Outdoors. Billy was born with spinal bifida, has never been able to walk, and been through a lot of challenges in life. The last challenge he'd been through, he was bedridden for over a year. Now he's getting back, he's working out, he's trying to lose some weight, and he's getting in the outdoors. And me and Leon travel to North Carolina to team up with Wheelchair Outdoors and Billy Dog. And man, y'all just watch this episode and watch how Billy carries himself, and what an awesome young man and all of his friends there in North Carolina.
Well, that's Billy, old Billy Dog. He must stay on that phone, son, because I mean, just as soon as I sent a reply, I mean, it was 2 seconds, bam.
He's there. He is so pumped up right now, it's unbelievable.
We have made it. We have made it. Huh? What's happening, brother?
Doing good, man. How you doing?
Huh? You ready to kill a turkey in the morning?
I'm excited, dude.
Come on.
Hey, this is Billy from Wheelchair Outdoors. And first of all, I just want to thank Kenyon and Mr. Leon from Southern Boyz Outdoors for taking me on this dream turkey hunt. It means so much to me. Because what Wheelchair Outdoors is about, getting people out there and proving to the world that just because you are disabled does not mean that you just have to quit what you're doing. And this is what this hunt's going to be about.
All right, we met Billy, and you see what kind of person he is. What an awesome young man. Leon gave him a turkey call, man. He was playing with it. Just super excited to see us, and we were super excited to see Billy and meet his family. Then it was time to go check on the blind, make sure everything was going to work out about getting Billy in, and where we was going to set up camera to film his hunt. And then it was time to go shoot Billy's gun, because we want to make sure Billy's shooting on in case that gobbler walks out there. What if you raise up off of it and shoot? Like we're using that, and you just raise up and shoot free-handed.
Like this?
Yeah.
I can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to shoot off that. You just hold.
Then when the shot comes in, you just.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. He's over here 20 yards. You got it ready. Okay. He's running into the decoy. He just hit that decoy. Ain't no way he could survive that. What's that? 4?
5.
Woo! Woo! That's what you want, Billy. There ain't no way he can survive that. No, sir, brother.
That was perfect, man.
Dead turkey, folks. Dead turkey.
He's ready. All right, y'all, 4:30 rolled around very early in the morning for us. We got in there and got Billy in. We got everything set up. I mean, guys, when we showed up that morning, there was like 10 people there to help Billy on this turkey hunt. Man, what an awesome group of friends.
We saw 3 turkeys this morning. One snuck up on us. She was a bearded hen. And then we saw 2 more down the lane here, but they just wouldn't get close enough for us to get a shot off. I guess that's hunting for you. But we made memories.
That's why they call it hunting, not killing. These high winds didn't help matters either. It's been windy all morning. Never heard turkey gobble. we called old Bearded Hen up. She come in on our blind side there. She was literally 5 yards from us and busted us. But hey, it wasn't meant to be. Old Billy Dog, he's gonna get it done before the day's over. It's only 10 a.m. and we still got a lot of daylight left. We're gonna go take us a little lunch break, chill out for a few minutes, and see if we can get on another setup.
All right, y'all, as y'all seen, we didn't kill any turkeys. Had an awesome time, and Billy was just plumb wore out, guys. I mean, he stayed up all night. So excited to be able to go turkey hunting. He stayed up all night long. So anyway, we headed out a little bit early, and you can see what it takes for this young man to be able to go just on a simple turkey hunt. And it makes you really see how blessed we are. And we went over at Jeff Baston's house and ate some turkey nuggets, and what an awesome family Jeff has. And then it was time to get back out, get the blind set up for Billy to make the evening time hunt.
As I sat here, I watched the sun go down behind the trees, knowing that the chances of Billy's going to kill a turkey is fading pretty fast. I can't help to reflect on what is going through his mind right now, what he's thinking.
Hey, y'all, man, we had an awesome time. Billy, I want to personally thank you for letting me and Leon come up here and go hunting with you, man. You know, we thought that we would be doing you a favor by coming up here to take you hunting, but really, man, just seeing the kind of person you are and how you carry yourself and the good friends you have, it really was doing me and Leon a favor to come up here and go turkey hunting with you, and we really appreciate y'all inviting us to North Carolina to come turkey hunting with y'all.
Well, I can personally thank y'all too, because you don't get very many people willing to drive several states just to come hunt for a weekend, and that meant so much to me that you guys will never know. I will remember this weekend for as long as I live.